I blew my Inkbird. Interesting how the display strobes doesn't do that in real life. The eye is too slow to see that. Got a shuddering effect. But yeah, I plugged in something that has a grounded lug, and they've got the leads polarized, so I plug them in right, it won't short anything. But yeah, you can see I shorted out the hat. I got the grounded lug with the longer spade somehow in there enough to touch it. Shorted it out. Now I'm not getting any power through the unit, even when it's supposed to be on like it is right now. And here's the innards of the Inkbird. Relay as expected. Battery as expected. Beeper. No transducer. What I don't see is a fuse. I was hoping to see a fuse in here. I'll see if I'll have to figure that out somehow. Something must have blown somewhere. Yeah, a little probing around with my frenzy here. I was only getting about 2 volts on the switch contacts, 1 or 2 volts. And then after going through a couple times, it started giving me 20 volts. So I think the contacts just burned up in the relay, unfortunately. Probably not a quick fix here. I'll try to pull the cover off the relay and see if I can clean the contacts. But I probably ruined that relay. Unfortunately, it looks like it is the relay. Contacts probably unsalvageable. The relay, I couldn't get the cover off without destroying it, pretty much. ROHS, so it's lead-free solder. It seems pretty shiny for lead-free, though. Pretty workable solder. Vacuumed out pretty well. The thing I should have done before I started this whole thing was to photograph the lid of the relay. But measuring from these 2 poles, I got 12 volts, or 11.6, good enough. Blew that terminal right off. Scorched, gone. Successful repair, at least for right now. I'm going to have to get a new relay. But I did sort of a cheater and soldered a wire under this relay. Oops. See my little kludge there. Just to get it working for the night. I'll eventually get I may get a second Inkbird even, or third Inkbird actually, to have a spare around. I would like to put a fuse in that power line just in case I have another accident, but probably better to put the fuse in this unit rather than the main unit.